Here we go. Trail that I've been wanting to try for a while now between Grande Prairie and Grande Cache, and it's called Cut Bank Falls. Starts along Highway 40, parked Big Blue there, and I think total return trip is about a 5-kilometer hike. A little cooler as fall weather has certainly set in, and looks like we're going to get some mud. Let me show you what's ahead. All right. Looks like the trail changes up. Once we get in here, looks like it's more like a quad trail. If this is like this, it's not bad at all. I got 2 bear sprays today. My hiking partner's not there, so better on me than in the truck. Sun is there, but it's chilly. I'm going to say it's about 5 degrees Celsius. Is it going to be a rock crossing or a log crossing? Yeah. Great day on the trails today. Let's keep it up, man. Went to the falls, now on our way back. It's pretty cold on the banks there, but now it's just beautiful. I can hear the highway now, 5.5 kilometers. We'll probably finish at about 6 kilometers. It's supposed to be a 5-kilometer hike, but I kind of circulated around the waterfall. Probably that's what constituted the extra kilometer. Very good hike. If not a 5-star, certainly a 4-star hike. Only 1 hour from Grande Prairie, from the north end of Grande Prairie, even at that. And here we are, passing through a power line and to the truck. The big blue is right there. Grateful. Thanks to God above, taking care of us, keeping me healthy. Big 10-4 on that. Thanks for tuning in.